Hi, I just want to give you a quick live look of it's the Express Chicken Coop heater, and this is safe to touch, and it's got overheat protection, and which that makes it safe to touch. And I find these things are great for, like, you live in colder climates, like, where you get winter, and you have them in a trailer or barn. This kind of stuff kind of protects them, and it keeps them warm. And yeah, I find that cute. Yeah, definitely what I was looking for too, and I'm glad I came across, because during the summer I plan on getting going, buying some birds and stuff. And yeah, pretty much complete, and this is pretty great quality. I think it's worth the price, and it's definitely worth the value in the end when you think of it. And yeah, just thought I'd give you a quick live look, and you can see here, where hooks on. But anyway, wherever you're watching from, have a great morning or a great evening. Thanks for watching my video review.